Okay guys, we're in the Mustang. Keegan's right here.
What's up?
Oh, you can't really see him. Shadows are bad, but
Let me move. Now you can probably see me.
we're gonna go to the car wash because we were just doing some Dukes of Hazzard stuff in this little Mustang, so we gotta clear her off. You can see, I don't know if you can see the mud all up on his window. So yeah, we're gonna go clean her off and yeah, enjoy us washing a Mustang. Go Keegan, let's see it.
Hey!
Redo. Ayo. Okay guys, so we made it to the car wash. Yeah. Now we're gonna just clean the car.
Alright, this is the after fact. Looking a little clean, Justin.
What?
Looking a little clean, Justin. Look at this. Jeez. Where's the front? There's the top. It's all cleaned up. Look at this bad boy. Justin's doing his normal stuff Justin does. I don't even know.
Okay guys, so we just finished our car wash. Sorry the lighting's terrible, but all I gotta say is this windshield is not waterproof at all. The seal is super bad on it, so
Yeah, I'm a butt.
I don't know if you can tell, but like the steering wheel soaked, so now it's rubbing on my pant legs.
I'm sitting on
I'm sitting on a towel, he's sitting on a soaking wet seat.
Yep.
So yeah.
Damn.
Jeez! They almost got in a crash. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little fun video clip or video we made. If you like it, comment down below. We'll make more of them. We also have a four-wheeler video coming out real soon. Me and Keegan may or may not have motor swapped them, and we have a video coming out on the results of that. So yeah. Subscribe and like. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
With